जय श्री राम दोस्तों। तो जैसा कि आपको पता है आज आज आरबी पीओ का मॉक चल रहा है। तो उससे पहले जो कल आरआरबी क्लर्क का मॉक दिए थे वो दिखा दे रहे हैं आपको कितना बना है मैंने। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं दोनों में हम 36 बनाए थे। एक एक गलत हो गया दोनों में। और मेरा टोटल स्कोर बना है इसमें 69.50। और परसेंटाइल बना है मेरा 87.5 परसेंटाइल, जो कि ठीक ही है। अभी हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्री पे ध्यान दे रहे हैं तो धीरे धीरे और थोड़ा अच्छा ही होगा। तो आज आरआरबी पीओ का मॉक चल रहा है, जो कि कल 7 बजे तक रहेगा, शाम तक। तो चलिए देते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है इसमें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आप लोग भी दे दीजिएगा। कल शाम तक है पर दे दीजिएगा। लेट करके क्या ही फायदा। एक तो ये ऐड। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं और देखते हैं कितना आता है। There are 7 family members in the family. Raghu is father of Kriti. Raghu is father of Raghu is father of Kriti. Kriti who is sister of Nandu. Kriti who is sister of Nandu. Radha is daughter of Nandu. Radha is daughter of Nandu. Kriti is spouse of Arjun. Kriti is spouse of Arjun. Tara is married to Lalit. Lalit who is father of Arjun. Lalit Tara. Tara is married to Lalit. Lalit who is father of Arjun. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. How is Kriti related to Radha? How is Kriti related to Radha? Aunt. Who among the following is brother-in-law of Arjun? Uh, Raghu is father of Kriti. Kriti who is son of sister of Nandu. Radha is daughter of Nandu. Cannot be determined ही होगा क्योंकि राधा का जेंडर नहीं, नंदू का जेंडर नहीं दिया है। Registration certificate of 7 car Jeep will be displayed on 7 consecutive days in August 2023, but not in the same order. The RC of the 3 car will be disabled between BMW and Jeep. BMW 1 2 3 JEEP Jeep. RC for Jeep will be disabled after BMW. RC of Jeep will be disabled after BMW and Ford. Ford. RC of Thar will be disabled immediately after Ford. RC of THAR. RC of Thar will be disabled immediately after Ford on 3rd of August. RC of Fortuner neither disabled on 6th or 7th. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. THAR Thar. FORD Ford. THAR Thar. FORD Ford. फॉर्ड का BMW 1 2 3 नहीं, BMW 1 2 3 JEEP। शायद 2 तारीख तक ही हो तो कहीं 8 हो। हो सकता है ना। तो बी एम और 1 2 3 JEEP जीप। RC of Fortuner is neither disabled on sixth or seventh. Fortuner, Fortuner। अगर 6 7 में फॉर्च्यूनर नहीं है यहाँ पे तो फॉर्च्यूनर यहीं पे आएगा, फॉर्च्यूनर। अगर यहाँ फॉर्च्यूनर नहीं है तो इसमें तो वन है ही नहीं, तो फॉर्च्यूनर। ठीक है। 2 RC will be disabled between Fortuner and Audi। 2 RC will be disabled between Fortuner एक तो and Audi। यही हुआ था। RC of Thar will be disabled between BMW and Jeep। और ठीक ही तो। और एक कौन सा गाड़ी है? डिस्कवर। DISCOVER cover। How many certificate will be disabled after Audi? None। RC of the car discover RC of car discovered will be disabled on 6th। How many RC will disable between the RC of Thar and Audi? How many RC how many RC will be disabled between How many RC will be disabled between the RC of Thar and Audi? Thar and Audi के बीच में 1 2 3। Which of the following statement is true? The RC of BMW immediately before Ford। ठीक है। The RC of Thar immediately before Discover। Thar immediately before Discover नहीं। RC of 5 car will be disabled between Audi and Ford। नहीं, only one। Which of the following is correct pair? 7 BMW नहीं, 9 August Audi नहीं, 5 Ford नहीं, 4 Fortuner। Both। If in the number the prime digit increase by one, then how many such digits are there in the number thus formed? What does 64? 64? Nobody is perfect. Perfect is nobody. If the code good and nobody are interchanged. If the code good and nobody are interchanged. If the code good and nobody are interchanged, then what will the new code for? Nobody person. Good person is. If the code for nobody and good तो इस to ना इस तरह हो गया 98 26 87 26 87। Which of the following represent awesome is good? Awesome B means B 54 97। awesome is का तेरा हो गया तेरा 98 और good का तेरा हो गया person में 87 है तो 26। 87 98 26 87 97, 98. Which of the following statement will be required for is? Nobody is perfect. Person is good. Nobody is perfect. Person is good. One and two only. What is the code for awesome? 97. हाँ पर्सन का ये गलत हो गया था 87 98 87 98 ओ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है only a few only a few dances disco all Zumba are disco no dance is lyric all dance can never be Zumba right है at least some Zumba are dance नहीं some Zumba are lyrics नहीं only one क्या पूछा only one all sunny is warm all sunny is warm each haze is warm each has is warm all sunny is warm each has is warm only a few cloud is warm only a few cloud is warm some sunny is has some sunny is has नहीं all cloudy is sunny is a possibility all cloudy is a sunny is a possibility नहीं no haze is cloudy no haze is cloudy गलत neither none follow only a few container or bottle only a few container or bottle not a single bottle is pen not a single bottle is pen each every pen is ball every pen is ball no bottle is ball is a possibility no bottle is ball is a possibility हाँ some container are not balls some container are not ball गलत all ball being container is a possibility all ball being container 1 and 3 all needs are IIT at most needs are IIT only a few IIC are IIT only a few ICE are IIT only ICE are IIM IIM all IIM are IIT नहीं some NIT is IC is a possibility some NIT is IC is a possibility or no IIM is IIT both 2 and 3 seven different have different height Razu is taller than at least 4 person 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 Raju is taller than at least 4%. एक दो तीन चार. Raju. Manju is taller than Raju but shorter than Kamal. Manju is taller than Raju but shorter than Kamal. Tanuj is 1 centimeter tall. Tanuj is 170 meter. Dinesh is taller than Gagan. Dinesh is taller than Gagan but shorter than Tanuj. Gagan is 175, 170, 165 and is taller than Mohan. Tanuj, Dinesh, 170, Gagan, 165, फिर Mohan. Who among the following is taller than Gagan? Raju, Dinesh, Mohan. मोहन नीचे है बस 1 and 2. What could be the possible height of Tanuj? What could be the possible sum of Tanuj and Kamal? Tanuj and Kamal. How many? There are different shop in the marketplace, different location. There are different shop in the marketplace, different location with respect to each other. R is 30 meter west of K. R is 30 meter west of K. R is 30 meter west of K. L is 140 meter south of U. L is 140 meter south of U. W is 30 meter west of U. W is 30 meter west of U. W is 30 meter west of U. SOP S is 10 meter east of L. SOP S is 100 meter east of L. SOP A is 50 meter north of S. SOP A is 50 meter north of S. SOP A is 50 meter north of S. SOP K is 90 meter south of W. SOP K is 90 meter south of W. SOP K is 90 meter south of W. 30 R. In which direction is A with respect to R? A with respect to R. इसको क्या बोलेगा? North east. Which of the following is similar manner? AU, AU, SK, SK, LW, LW, AW, AW, RU. What is the shortest distance between K and A? K and 30, 30, 130, 169, 30, 130, 13 और ये तेरा हो गया 5, 14, 28, 2, 5, 28 का हो गया तेरा 7, 8, 4, 15 का 5, 13 का 3, 1 हाथ में, 14, 15 का 5, 1 हाथ में, 8, 9. Uh, 10 people are seated in different rows, such that 5 people are seated in each row. 10 people are seated in different rows, such that 5 people are seated in row 1 is facing north, while row 2 is facing south. R is seated in row 1 and immediate left of P. Row 1 is facing north. R is seated in row 1 and immediate left of P. And immediate left of P. The person seated opposite to P is seated second to the right of D. The person seated opposite to P is seated second to the left of D. Second to the left of D. A is seated to the immediate left of D. A is seated to the immediate right of D. The person seated opposite to A is seated to the immediate right of U. V is seated in row 1 to the right of W. V is seated to the V is seated in row 1 to the right of W. ठीक है. B is seated opposite to W. C is seated to the right of E. C is seated to the left of E. C is seated to the left of E. CUA, CUA, RV, Q. How many people are seated to the right of W? Right of W2. Number of people seated to the left of D. Number of persons seated to the right of Number of persons seated to the right of D1 is same as the number of persons seated to the right of U. Who among the following Who among the following is seated to the immediate left of B? Who among the following is seated to the immediate right of B? D. Having Monday, all of them, all the different exam at science, starting from Monday to Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Minu is having immediately after Tinu. Minu is having immediately after. Minu is having exam immediately after Tinu. Tinu who is having exam in math subject. Math subject. Two person are having exam between Kinu and Pinu. Kinu and Pinu. Pinu who is having exam on Thursday. Pinu who is having exam on Thursday. Two person are having between Kinu and Kinu and Pinu. Tinu, Math, मीनू और एक क्या है डीनू. डीनू. मीनू is not having exam of Hindi subject. मीनू is not having exam of HIMDI Hindi subject. Dinu is having exam of English subject. ENGLI. Dinu is having exam of English subject immediately after history. HISTOR history. Hindi. SCIENC science. On which day Dinu is having exam? Dinu is having exam on Friday. How many people are having exam after Minu? After Minu 2. How many person having exam of science subject? How many person having Which of the person is having exam of science subject? Science subject में मीनू. Which of the following Tuesday science मीनू. Science मीनू. Tuesday नहीं. Monday हिंदी कीनू. ठीक है. Thursday history तीनों. Thursday history तीनों. 2 and 3. Keenu is having exam immediately before Teenu math. Immediately before तीनों तीनों a certain number of person, all of them are facing south direction. Q is third to the left of us. 144 by और 12 12 माइनस 27 प्लस 32 इजिकल टू एक्स बाई 3। तो ये हो गया तेरा 15। 15 जाएगा तो 17। 17 इंटू 3 51। ये तेरा हो गया 1254 3412 6664 1991432। ये तेरा हो गया 12 का 2 3 561 1631 5303। 3035। 240% ऑफ 125। 125 बाई 100 इंटू 240। 5 4 60 300। 300 बाई 190 बाई 100 इंटू 2 बाई 5 इंटू 500। 100 1900 16। हो 10। माइनस का 80। ये कितना 575 इंटू 90 बाई 24 इंटू 72। तो ये तेरा हो जाएगा 10। ये तेरा हो जाएगा 8। क्या हो रहा है भाई? 5 4। 3 बार में कितना बार मिलेगा? एक। इसको अगर 25 जोड़ दे तो 25 से 2 3 23। 23 6। तो ये हो जाएगा 30। चौदह। ये तेरा हो गया 3 प्लस एक्स का क्यूब इजिकल टू 66 का 22 प्लस 18 3 2 4। 3 2 4 6 4 3 7। एवरेज टोटल नंबर Total number of students having degree in animation. एनिमेशन 200, 240, 200, 340, 540 is explain what percent of the number of students having degree and diploma. Total number of students having degree in animation is what per explain what percent of the total diploma. Oh, 200, 162, 27, 9, 35 से थोड़ा ज्यादा. If the ratio of total number of students having degree in biotech and mass communication. अरे यार, if, if the total number of students having degree in biotech and mass communication, biotech 120, 220, इतना then number of students having degree in mass 220. What is the difference between total number of students having diploma in biotech 280 and total number of students having degree in nursing 320, 40. If the average number of students having diploma in nursing, foreign and food technology are 190, diploma 195, 70, nursing डिप्लोमा है ना, डिप्लोमा रेड वाला नर्सिंग का है तेरा 220 और फॉरेन ट्रेड का कितना है 190, 410, 160. ओए, if the average number of students having diploma in foreign और 90 है सिर्फ 310, 260. Total number of student total number of students having diploma in foreign trade and biotechnology together is total diploma in foreign trade and biotechnology 90 and biotechnology 280, 370. What is the ratio of total number of students having diploma and degree in web development 210 और 300, 710. Sum of two number A and C is इतना. अरे यार, percentage of number of people in thousand who read newspaper, percentage of people who read magazine. The below bar graph show the percentage of people who read magazine from fan design number of what is the ratio of number of people who read magazine from CTO एक दो तीन चार पाँच 64%। 90/36 into 64 9 16. To the number of people who read newspaper from city and 96 96 10 6 5 3. What is the average number of people who read newspaper from city O and P? City O 90 and P 90 और 90 और ये कितना है? 90 प्लस 88 99 89. Number of people who read magazine from city N. Magazine from city N 36 20 22 36 by 78 24 76 into 38 12. Number of who read from city and what percent number of people who read newspaper from city view. 12/78. नहीं 6 39 20 से कम. What is one fourth? What is one fourth the difference between number of people who read from? What is one fourth of the difference between number of people who read newspaper from city N 38 and the number of people who read magazines from city P? 98 और नहीं 88 और ये कितना है 40 56 तो ये 44 है तो 56 दो 112 और 38 तो ये तेरा आ जाएगा 4 फिर आ जाएगा 7 7/4 1 8 5. Number of people who read magazine from city M. ये तेरा हो गया 96 96 में 36% मतलब ये हो जाएगा तेरा 96 में 36% अगर ये देखता है तो 64 तो तेरा 2/3 तो 36 18 54 is what percent more than number of people who read newspaper from city O. Newspaper from city O 90 36 oh 40. अरे यार खोलना पेज Very good, normal people. Find the number of families that are normal. Find the number of families that are in normal health condition according to New York Times, Bombay City, and Economic Time. Find the number of families that are normal health condition in New York Times, Bombay Times, and Economic Times. पाँच 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 14 और 9, 14 और 9 23, 1,73,000. Find the number of family poor health condition according to Economic Time, which is average of the family in very good health condition according to New York Times and Patirka. 44, 54, 64, 32. Find the number of family in normal health condition according to Paterika, which is the difference between the number of family in poor health condition in New York. 98, New York and Paterika. 82, 16,000. Number of family that are in poor health condition in Bombay time. Poor health condition in Bombay time, which is 40% more than the family that are in very good health condition in economic time. Economic time 56. 14,000 में 5,600, 19,600. If the ratio between family in very good health condition according to Bombay Times of family that are in normal health condition in New York Times, Cyber to 8,000. Find the number of family in very good condition according to art. A man got itna 39693600 3600 963. 7 21. 2020 ये तेरा हो गया. ये कितना हो जाएगा? Into 1 plus 2. 17 19 22. 85 गलत है. 9 year old, the ages of A and B are in the ratio 3:5. 3:5 minus 9 year A and B. 7 year later, their ratio will be 7 year later, their ratio will be 7:9. फिर द प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ ए इन बेसिक ना, ये तेरा दो, ये तेरा दो, तो दो का वैल्यू 16, तो एक का वैल्यू 8, तो प्रेजेंट एज, प्रेजेंट एज तेरा हो जाएगा, ये तेरा कितना हो जाएगा, 8 64 और 9 9 18, 72, 82, 82 माइनस टू, 82 प्लस टू 84 बाई थ्री, दो छः 26। ओहो, नेट भी तो चला गया। एक सेकंड, इसको कनेक्ट कर दे तो शायद हो जाए। टाइम तो अप हो गया है, तो अब अटेम्प्ट नहीं करेंगे हम, पर मोबाइल कनेक्ट से कनेक्ट कर देते हैं। हाँ, सो जा। क्या हो गया भाई, क्यों नहीं शो कर रहा? कनेक्टिंग तो दिखा रहा है, लेगा ये। हाँ, हो जा। अब शायद ले लिया। पॉज कर दिया उतना ही टाइम पे, तो शायद सबमिट करते ही ये हो जाए। सब मतलब स्टार्ट करते ही सबमिट हो जाए। हाँ, हो गया। तो इसमें मेरा स्कोर बना है 49.25, और एलआर में तीन गलत हो गया, पता नहीं कैसे हो गया पर हो गया। और क्वांट में मेरा स्कोर बना है 23, जो कि 100% ये हुआ है, राइट हुआ है। और एलआर में 30 बनाए थे, जिसमें तीन गलत हो गया, तो उसमें मेरा स्कोर बना है 26.25। और इसमें मेरा स्कोर बना है 23.00, और टोटल स्कोर बना है 49.25। तो परसेंटाइल में ही पता चलेगा कि कैसा किया है। मेरे हिसाब से तो एलआर में और थोड़ा होना चाहिए था, और क्वांट्स थोड़ा ठीक था। तो देखते हैं, इस एलआर परसेंटाइल देख के पता चल ही जाएगा कितना आ रहा है। और स्कोर तो बना है 49.25। तो चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट मॉक में लिए, तब तक के लिए बाय।